Is that an anal thermometer? No? Said, is it an anal thermometer?
It does a full rectal scan.
Ooh, my favorite. So that explains why it's red. It's a gaping hole.
Alright, so we're about 105. So 105 minus 76. You got somebody find calculator. 106. 30. About 30 degrees. Alright, let's go ahead and take out the panel with all the information.
Better lick that marker with your tongue. Okay.
Alright, so we're at 30 degrees, right? Alright, right here it's going to tell us our air temperature rise. It has to be